Okay, let's start. Very simple, very easy. I like it very much. We have some green salad here, as you can see. Cherry tomato, some nice cherry tomato, fresh one, fresh cut it. Gonna add some mozzarella cheese, cut it in cube. Look, this is fior di latte, you know. Very, very, very nice. We have some green olives. Look, Italian colors. Some onions, white onions. Very sweet onions are these ones. Very great, very fresh. Some fresh basil leaves, fresh basil leaves. Some salt. Some extra virgin olive oil. There we go, some extra virgin olive oil, that is nice. Yeah. Mix everything. There we go. Let's rest for 15 minutes before you eat that. I love it very much. Very simple, very easy. Here we go. This is my salad, my Italian flag salad, green, white and red. I love it very much, I tell you. Eat healthy, summer is coming, eat healthy, eat light, but eat. This is the way I cook, I don't care about anybody else. This is the way I make salads. Subscribe to the channel if you like. More salads coming, more recipe will come anyway. See you next tutorial. And thank you.